So if you want to enable and disable auto rotate on your Samsung home screen and even lock screen, as you see, we are to follow the simple steps. So in order to do that, swipe down twice from the top of your screen to open up your quick settings panel. Here find your portrait icon, and to enable auto rotate, simply tap on this icon. Now it is enabled, however, it may not work. So as you see, nothing is changes. It's still in the same orientation. So to change that, once again, swipe down twice from the top of the screen and now hold on this auto rotate icon. Here you'll see more switches, such as home screen, let's enable it, lock screen, voice call screen, and show rotate button on navigation bar. When you are satisfied with your changings, press done. And now, if we're gonna try to rotate it, as you see, it works perfectly. We can rotate it to any direction and it works good. Even if we're gonna use a lock screen, as you see, it still works. So it auto rotates, which is a really great feature, right? When you're done with your auto rotating, simply swipe down twice from the top of the screen again and tap on your auto rotation. Now, if we're gonna try to auto rotate, nothing will happen. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.